So when I came on board, my in-laws would say it was probably, the last leg of their careers. And a lot of times in the last leg of someone's career, they're hesitant to change. What they entitled me to do when they brought me on board was to come in and really find the ways that our business could be more efficient, be innovative, and find the opportunities to capitalize on the changing technology. We were just running on the paper folder system, praying that the documentation got back to the office, praying that we capitalized on everything that was in that document, praying to God we billed for everything that we possibly could. And so when we really started getting into what Restore 365 was bringing to our business, it was very easy for myself and the people that we had on board at that time to transition into it, because it allowed us to be anywhere in the world and help manage our business. So as we transitioned our business from a paper folder system to losing folders and not knowing what to bill for, to being able to sit down anywhere in the city, get an estimate together, have all the photos presented to the adjuster, have all the documentation signed by the client immediately, it really allowed us to start billing more, maximizing more on our jobs, and being able to grow our business in other areas. Being able to capture data in a timely manner, getting it to someone very quickly, getting the bill out to get paid quicker allows us to have better cash flow. And when you have better cash flow as a business, you're able to operate at a better pace. It's allowed us to really go from having to finance vehicles or equipment to pay cash for stuff, because we have the cash on hand to do it. So when we started with Restore 365 in 2015, we had about 12 employees. Just this week we hired our 29th employee. So we're growing very rapidly. When I started, we were doing between 1 to 1.3 million, and this year we'll be able to do about 6.5 million in business, all within a 5-year span. It wouldn't have been possible if we didn't have the Restore 365 platform.